Hi, I'm Chef Alan with Global Sugar Art, and I'd like to introduce you to our Blossoms and Vine Cake Decorating Kit. This is a simple kit to make beautiful cake lace for your cake. Works on buttercream or fondant. When you get the kit, it will have 2 lace mats inside of it, your mixture that you'll spread to make the lace, and a couple of spreaders. And I'll show you quickly how to use this. We provide you with 2 of the mats that are identical so that you can spread the lace mixture on both of them, and that will give you plenty to go around an 8 or 10-inch cake or even a small 2-tiered cake like this. So I've got the mix ready to go. Just give it a little bit of a stir and use your scraper, and then just apply that right into the mat. Go back and forth in all 4 directions so that you make sure that you really fill all the cavities. I'll just do 1 piece here. This can be applied really easily to a fondant covered cake, and if you'd like to put it on buttercream, that works great too. You can just go to the bakery and pick up an 8 or 10-inch decorated cake, bring it home, and add your own lace design onto it, and it becomes your very own unique cake. So I went back and forth. I made sure that all the little holes are filled in, and then scrape it off nice and clean. Now you have 2 options once this is done. You can let it sit overnight and it will dry, and then the next morning reapply a second coat and let it dry again. If you'd like to speed up the process, put this on a cookie sheet in an oven at 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Allow it to cool for a few minutes. Put your second coat on, and then just let it air dry overnight. And that way you can get the 2 coats done within 15 or 20 minutes, and the next morning your lace is ready to go. Let's just pick this up. The next day, your lace will be all dried and ready to pull out. It'll look just like this. Just grab one end of it, and the lace comes out very, very easily. This is a very, very easy cake decoration to make. To apply it to a cake, if you have gum glue, you can use gum glue and a little brush. If you don't have gum glue, just use a basic corn syrup that you can buy in any grocery store. Mix it with a few drops of water to thin it. Put it in a small dish and just lightly dab the back of the lace mat. It doesn't have to be completely covered, just little pieces here and there. And then get your cake ready. And then just apply the lace. Just gently push it on and allow it to dry. And it will stay right on the cake. And again, if you want to use this on a buttercream cake, make sure that you use the corn syrup and water and just apply it right to your buttercream. If you're making your own cake and you're icing it with buttercream and the buttercream is very fresh and still sticky, you can put the lace right on. You don't need any adhesive like corn syrup. I hope you enjoy this kit. It's super easy to make, and it gives such a beautiful and elegant finish to any cake and any cake decorating project. You can color the lace also by adding a little bit of food coloring before you spread it on the lace mat. And you can also cut them with scissors, and it's totally edible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this lace decorating kit.